Built like spaghetti. Pretzel mode confirmed. What the heck is even that? Oh my god, that's a husky demon. Escape skills from Temu. Husky outsmarted by the window blinds. Rear view unfortunate.
Come here.
Come on, bud, do it. Bro got defeated by gravity. Bro trained for nothing. Just look at that face.
Escape artist.
Poor Bud, he's ashamed. Bud is confused. Stop laughing and help him. He needs therapy after that. I bet there is a mess. Nope, just sofa demon. What's that under the blanket? Never mind. Does you dog do the same?
Well,
Fashion criminal
you've gotten
detected.
yourself into quite a predicament, haven't you, Charles?
Awareness, absolutely
How did this
zero. Charles outplayed by storage. Wait, is that a new muzzle?
Ollie, what did you do?
He got outsmarted by a toy. Is that a new kind of platypus? My bad, just a goofy puppy. What the heck? How did he even get there? Poor Bud got stuck bad.